Vincent Onyancha.
Nase chiskuru aonigo aborokiwa na baigo aborokia barokana gwikirana iriku yarigania kugendera nemirubirio ya masomo ase tamwe ya gatatu kurengana ne kalenda ya masomo y'umwaka uyiga ukona nigetaseni kya Ndizi TV nigo morokio mone nase skuru ya Imperial Walton Noka agakagotana nigo be yariganiti gwikiranu kwenekia buna aborokiwa babiri bakwegenderera bya na masomo abo muri Keito Frida Kerubo no roboti urwasubime.
Kubwatekana nogochika korwase omwaziri w'ekisemi Professor George Magoha chiskuru koigorwa litkolia rero nigo abaiboli baligania aborokiwa gwikirana ase eskuru elinde kogendera konyora chisemi gotalira eskuru yoboroso ya Imperial nigo tomera no mwalimu omonene oyu oerera emerobele babekire ase okoeneki aborokiwa benyoleire chisemi.
We are reported today to receive our learners, both the scholars and boarders. For the teachers, all of us are actually in, and we reported on Monday. We have been preparing. We have prepared a number of charts, teaching aids, and they are already displayed in our classrooms. The parents have actually supported us so well because they were very punctual.
Voigo nigo arwa abasemia gochia ase aborokigwa kubwaterana ase chingaki chiga chinge eliokoeneki obokoleri obuya.
They would encourage the learners that they needed to be ready to cooperate with the teachers because the time available is very limited, and then we really need now to manage our time well.
Lanex Muneria oyole omoiboli nigo agokera emiroberi yeskuru eyo aseboigo aerera emechando baiteire omwako yoiga kubwatikana no gonchoreria ase kalenda yechisemi.
The school itself is not a bad school, it's a well-developed school, and it offers students prompt requirements that is required for each people. As parents, we had to struggle for the 3 or 4 terms now in a year due to the COVID-19 that disrupted the academic calendar for all the students. But we really struggling, and if indeed one has not prepared for this, it will be a bit challenge, and I know this is a challenge to many parents.
Chinga kiechio nigo asaba omolembe kogendera ko baororo ekero obomo bwazimio la umoja bwatuguteirale amachibu yekero kyoborai bwense.
We still pray that the peace continues prevailing even though there is a contest in court about the presidential elections, and of course equally the 2 counties that had not done elections for gubernatorial, that is Mombasa and Kakamega.
Aborokigwa mbaerera okweyarigani kwa bobo sibwa matemwa manene na boigo kwirana limbia mono ase aboiboli na boigo aborokia ase okubwatirana amo eliokoeneki obokoleri obuya.
I'm proud to be here because the teachers have supported us and they are ready for our national exams.
Our teachers have prepared us for the national exams that we are going to do in December. We have gone home for elections, and for a short break we have come back.
Magega yechiskuru koigoru na boigo aborokia na aborokiwa kwirana ase chiskuru elinde kogendera nechisemi wana nigo oboteneri bechiskuru bole no kwegena buna ense ya Kenya negendera koba entoero na boigo koba alibaga ase okweroberia ase amatemu amanene ale bosio nonya obomo bwazimio la umoja bwanyara kwa bogo tuguterale amachibu nigo bale no kwegena buna ekinange chikona chwa na boigo oboene gotoka ase enganeyo ingo lipatali amangana maya imegeta sendikia Ndizi TV kuruga ase eskuru yoboroso ya Imperial ime kaunti ya Kisii. Frida Kerubo.